What's up everybody, Devin up here and I'm back with another video, and today we got the Fitbit Charge 4. See it? Let's get it started. Let's unbox it and let's get started. There's the box. Alright, so to unbox it, see the sticker. Let's pluck this off. Very easy. And boom, here it is. When you first unbox it, it's telling you gotta download the app. So we're gonna do that. This is just more like a welcome to Fitbit. Thanks for joining us. You have your extra strap for a bigger size. It also has the design with it, get the product information right here, and also you get your charger. There's a little prongs for it, you just sit it. All right, so here's the Fitbit itself. Let's take this off and look at it. All right, so here's the Fitbit itself. There's that curve, nice smooth design. You see the sensors right here, and the charger port is right here. And yes, the watch does curve. As you see, you can't straighten it. This is as much you can straighten it out. As you see right here, these two, very easy to detach. You just touch this, push it down, and detach. I have both right here. Here are the inserts, as you see, and you just attach it on here. Boom, very simple. You have the different sizes right here to let you know what size you have on. All right, and now to get it started, you have to place this onto the charger. Once it snaps, you'll hear the clicking sound. That lets you know that it's on. Snap to it, put a power source to it, and you should see this part turn on. So I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna be right back. All right, so once you set it up, you have to go to the app to actually set it up. It's gonna ask you to pair the phone. And when you do, once you pair it with your phone, you can get the notifications sent to your phone, and you can actually update it through the phone or update it through the watch. So it's gonna update it now. It's gonna update everything that you've done from the previous watch. If you had a previous watch, or if this is your first watch, this is what it'll update everything for you: tracking activity, exercise, heart rate, and GPS, sleep tracking and score, notification at a glance, pay from your wrist. It's like Apple Pay. You can actually go to the store, Starbucks, whatever, boom, just pay, so, pay for your coffee. And let's continue. All right, so now it's set up, and the thing I can really say that I like is that the setup was pretty easy on this model. With the last Fitbit that I had an issue where it wouldn't start. As you see in the video, I had to call customer service. It was kind of bad. They offered to send me a new one. I had to wait a couple of hours. They had to, work behind the scenes to get it fixed up for me. And this was pretty simple, 2 to 5 minutes with everything, and it was straight. Let's get into the features of what this watch can do. And yeah, the first thing that I'm gonna say that I don't like is that it doesn't have any buttons. As you see, it's all flat surface, no buttons. And everything is just touchscreen, which is fine. You just want something to touch and push, to feel like you're really working the watch. So now, how to work this is that this part right here is actually the touch sensor. Also, the screen is your touch sensor too, as you see. Right here is on the side. You have to like push it down and you'll feel a vibration, and you actually get some of the features on here. So as you see, I'm just touching the sides, the on and off, and let's get started with what this can do. So this actually has a built-in GPS within it, 24/7 heart rate tracking, Fitbit Pay, like I already said, it's like Apple Pay. You can just go and just set your wallet up to it, sleep score, and up to 7 days of battery life. So that's pretty good. This right here is telling you what your heart rate is. It says it's 68 for me. How many steps you're taking, what the goal is, 13 steps. My goal is gonna be 250 for me. How many miles I went, 1 mile. So my total that I've ever, all right, this right here shows how many calories I have burned a day, 1,183. You get stairs and, your weight, water, how much you drunk. You just have a lot of goals that you can accomplish with this watch. I'm gonna scroll back up. And also right here is the battery life. So this is at 92. So we're just I'm gonna go back. And I'm gonna scroll to the right, to the left. And you have your exercises. If you go here, you see if you wanna run, right here it's GPS on, run detection on, auto pause. Not really sure what that is. We have biking, swimming, treadmill. Let's go to that. Settings, you know, you can start it, you can set goals. It'll just track, you know, what you're doing, of course. This is why I said I need a button. It can track your distance, time, calories, zone minutes, whatever you want to set it to. It'll do outdoor walk, regular walk, and you know, you still have the GPS features. You know, you get your agendas, and you can actually sync it with the Fitbit app, the relax, telling you to relax, breathe, you know, just relax yourself for 2 minutes, like a meditation, timers, alarms, weather, and you can sync that with your phone, and through your phone it'll sync to your watch. That's pretty much self-explanatory. And you got your settings. Brightness is on auto, vibrations is normal. You can set it to strong, which I really felt that. Normal, heart rate on, do not disturb, notifications during sleep, no, about, and that's pretty much it for that. So let's go back and so if you swipe from the left to the right, it's nothing, but if you slide down, you get the notifications. And that's pretty much it. This right here actually tracks your heart. It actually wants to track it. So as you see, if I put this on, if I take it off, you can see the flash. If you saw that, that's just it trying to track your heartbeat. And that's pretty much it for the watch. You know, it's pretty cool, chill watch. It's lightweight. But then again, like I said, if you're using that, if you already had this product before, this will be a nice upgrade from that previous model. But if you're going in here for the first time using this watch, I gotten used to it already, but if you're not used to it, there's no buttons, and it may take, you know, a while to kind of get used to. But besides that, it's pretty simple, as you saw, and it's a nice watch, a nice pickup, a nice buy, and you get a lot from this little watch, honestly. And from what I can say, the previous model, this was actually, it's the same design. It's a little bit lighter and more responsive than the third model. So it's very touch sensitive compared to the last model, and it works the same if you have Spotify. The layout's still the same. Also, if you have Pandora, still the same. Also, here's a good thing also, if you have the Fitbit 3 and if you have some bands, you can actually swap bands with the old model with this model. So if you have some bands from the Charge 3 that you want to use on this one, you can do it. It's acceptable. And lastly, I know you guys are thinking about it, but no, you cannot put storage, you cannot put music on here. So you still have to use your phone as that music source, or, you know, whatever you use as a music source, you cannot put music on here. But you still have that Spotify app. That's probably the most you can do. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. This is Devin Up. I hope you guys like this video. This watch is pretty awesome. This is a great buy if you buy it. And I'm out.